Most people trying to grow on YouTube are doing way too much manual work like scripting, editing, thumbnails, search engine optimization, and still getting nowhere. But what if one AI tool could basically run your YouTube channel for you? Today I'm breaking down the TubeClaw AI and what it actually does behind the scenes and what is all the hype. And I'll try to go step by step. There's a lot of things to cover, but it's okay. If you've ever tried YouTube automation or faceless channels, you already know the truth. You don't fail because of ideas. You fail because of execution. Scripting takes hours, editing takes days, search engine optimization is confusing, and consistency becomes impossible. And that's where most creators or curators fail. That's where they quit. But TubeClaw AI is marketed as a full YouTube automation system powered by a 58 AI agent, or the OpenClaw process. The idea is simple. Instead of using 10 different tools, you just give one command and the system can supposedly write your video script, which it can, generate voiceovers, which it will, create faceless videos, design thumbnails, optimize your SEO, and even help publish the content. It automates it, actually. Okay? And I've been working with OpenAI for a while now, and I understand, and I'm very, very happy to see this process for YouTube. And it actually extends into Facebook and Instagram as well, and it will post for you. It will do the descriptions. It will do everything. And I am happy to introduce to you TubeClaw AI. Now, as you can see, there's several things to it. This is the bundle part. I recommend you get the bundle. If you get the introductory, which is at a lower price, it's not going to do very much for you. They always do this to where they give you an intro because you kind of fiddle with it for a while and then you leave it. If you're serious about doing this for your business or for yourself personally, you definitely want to get the bundle. And then there's a second opportunity to get the Max bundle, which I just mentioned, that will do also Facebook and Instagram the same exact way YouTube is done for TubeClaw AI. Okay, so TubeClaw AI, your YouTube into a 24/7 traffic, leads, and income machine without recording a single video. Now, honestly, people talk about AdSense and trying to earn money from advertising on YouTube. That's all well and good, but that's going to take a little bit of time, even with automation. And you've got to pick the right niche for that. I really suggest, if you're an affiliate marketer or if you have a small business, say for instance, if you're an attorney or some type of a local business that's looking to get your brand awareness out there, but you don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of marketing budget and or a lot of people working for you, you can definitely use this to automate. Now, I have my own agency as well called Video AI Claw, and what it's doing is helping local businesses automate this process. And I do all the building for them. That's also an opportunity inside this if you decide yourself to actually purchase this bundle, and then you can also purchase the second topped up bundle, if you want to call it that, for the Facebook and Instagram as well, because I think all three of them, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you'll be set. I don't really care about pretty much any of the others. You can use them to put on other things if you want to manually do that, but I think YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are the main ones. Now, number 2, it's unlimited. Remove every limit and let your Claw agent build unlimited channels, unlimited videos, and unlimited income. Okay, you could have one channel specifically on one thing and solving one problem. I think that's one of the main problems with most people. They do a YouTube channel and they start talking about all kinds of different subjects and different niches, and YouTube really can't get a grasp of that. But if you do one YouTube channel on one specific niche and detailing that, you're going to get a lot more people, especially if it hits a pain point or if it solves a problem. You should really look at this as promoting and doing a business and getting leads and sales to your business instead of just trying to earn off of the YouTube AdSense, okay, which is going to take a lot longer, and you'll make way more money way faster if you focus on building your own personal business with this, whether it's building an email list and or promoting your products and services or whatever, okay? Enterprise, well, that's the first level. Turn every video into a studio quality scroll stopping masterpiece without hiring a single editor. Okay. There's also another thing you can do that I'm starting to learn is that you make your own avatar. So I have, especially with small businesses that I work with, I have them do about a 3-minute video of a person that is representing their business and do that video. And then I can put this video inside to where they can get the AI automated avatar to look pretty much exactly like the same person, as realistic as possible. Okay, to where you can have that person speaking the scripts every time you do a video, and they'll be represented. They'll be visually there as well. The AI does all of this. That's what the enterprise is talking about as well. Automation. Put your entire YouTube channel on complete hands-free growth, posting, ranking, and earning around the clock. Okay, now you don't want to go crazy and overboard with that, because there is such a thing as trying to saturate too much all at once. It's even suggesting that you go Monday through Friday and take Saturday and Sunday off and just putting content on every day. You could do it once every 3 days. Do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you're done for the week. On all 3 platforms, just imagine what that can accomplish. And then there's the, is it the done for you? Have our expert team build, set up, and launch your entire YouTube channel while you do absolutely nothing. Now, that's also a part of one of my bonuses, is that if you do purchase this, specifically Tube Claw, under my link in the description below, I have a weekly 2-hour training, and a lot of times 1 hour, the last hour of that training, will be over troubleshooting and different things that you might have issues with that I can help you accomplish, because I've been working with Claw AI and Open Claw AI for almost a year now, really close to a year. You also have the agency option. That's what this bundle also offers you. Put your own brand on TubeClaw and sell it to unlimited clients. You can change the color. They have everything set for you. You can put your own brand on there, keeping 100% of every dollar. If you sell it to just normal people, or if you sell it like an agency, businesses might want to just use it and do it themselves, or you can have it to where you do it yourself for those businesses like I do. And I have openaiclaw.com for that. Okay. And then there's the VIP training. Live training reveals how to launch a 6-figure AI pitch agency using TubeClaw AI. And we go over that in the weekly training bonus that I give you, even if you're starting from scratch. It's out of this world what this platform and what, OpenClaw and TubeClaw is doing here with especially YouTube. You're also getting premium fast action bonuses worth hundreds of dollars, okay? And there's the watch the webinar replay below. You can click on the link in the description below to do that, okay? And then we go to turn your YouTube into a 24/7 traffic, leads, and income machine without recording a single video, okay? From what I know from OpenClaw and now TubeClaw in this specific agent basically means that they have an OpenClaw controlling a lot of agents below it. It's like the CEO is controlling all of the agent workers below it. And this TubeClaw is giving you the agents to focus specifically on YouTube, and or if you get the second bundle, which is focusing on Facebook and then Instagram. And I'll tell you something about Facebook. Most people don't realize this, but Facebook is begging for people to come back to Facebook and do reels or video reels on their platform. In the past couple of years, they've gotten less and less and less of this because people seem to like Instagram a little bit more, and then going back to YouTube. YouTube is the biggest platform, social media on this earth, except for maybe Google, but they're really owned by Google. But if you're focusing on a business or something like that, you're trying to get leads, like I said, and or sales, YouTube is the place you're really going to get it, especially organically. I've done this many, many times. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing that. And especially in this last year, learning the OpenClaw AI and now TubeClaw, which is an agent. They give you the process to where you can make it simple, start with one channel, YouTube, be very specific at what you can accomplish in your service and or business or products that you offer. And I guarantee you this concept and making it simple, you will be very surprised within the first month of how many leads you're starting to get, because this thing is completely automated. It'll do descriptions. It'll help you set up your YouTube channel. That's also what we go over in our weekly bonus that I give you as far as the TubeClaw bonus of coming every week and giving you a couple hours with me working to see what we can do to help you accomplish your goals as well with this. So no technical skills, no search engine optimization, no editing, no freelancers. Unfortunately, the freelancer business is going bye-bye, and they're starting to use these things to help you make videos, okay? And you can do that as well. You can definitely do that as well. Once you purchase TubeClaw, you already have the agent. You don't need to worry about anything else. It's in the cloud. It's set up in its own personal server, and you don't have to worry about it, okay? You can launch your dream YouTube channel today, one command, and your channel is live, branded, and growing already, okay? And so I'm not going to give a demo on this specific review, but I definitely, because there's just so many to go over, I'll give a review and demo in the bonuses that I give on the weekly that I give for TubeClaw and my own personal agency, which is videoaiclaw.com. Okay. So you can see on the left here where it's kind of like ChatGPT. You go through and you get a script and you ask them all this stuff. Now you can do it with OpenClaw, which that's what this is, or Claude, if you've ever heard of that. And it goes to something like this where, okay, you give it the certain command that they train you how to do inside this back office, and then it will do everything. It knows everything that agent needs to do to get everything rolling. Okay. So unfortunately, I have to say this, TubeClaw is push button. You push a couple buttons and all of a sudden it's rolling for you. It is that way. It's really awesome. You get AI agent that thinks and decides and acts on its own, hands that create your videos, write your scripts, and build your brand. Now, you might be saying, well, does this create cartoon videos and that's about it? No, it can create a much more realistic look to it. And like I said before, we're doing for businesses getting their personal avatars, like people that represent their business, inside that video, and they're the ones speaking, and then it creates the images and different things, and you can approve or decline a lot of different things. So a brain that optimizes, ranks, and manages your entire YouTube channel. Completes entire project start to finish, no hands holding required. Okay. Now look at TubeClaw, a claw brain grip action, not the imagery of intelligence, the imagery of execution. I think that's the problem with most people. They see it's a daunting task to do everything that this YouTube Claw or TubeClaw is going to be able to do. Okay. Now, the bundle, there is a simplified price on it. I think after the discount, and you can see there's an early $100 discount here, it's $267. Now, if you got the bundle, which includes Facebook doing the same exact thing this YouTube or TubeClaw does, and Instagram as well, and it does everything, and it has agents for Facebook and Instagram, man, you're going to have a three-pronged process of video reels going up and really helping to promote your business and or whatever affiliate offer that you might have, okay? And they're showing you the faceless channels, that type of thing. I wouldn't really focus too much on that because look at all these numbers. And yeah, those faceless channels have been up for at least 6 months or further. And a lot of them are cartoonish, that kind of thing. They're focusing more on entertainment and AdSense or YouTube revenue, which in a year with this type of platform running for you, you could definitely turn this into a big cash cow. Believe me, I've made money on YouTube AdSense, $18,000, $20,000 a month sometimes, and that's wonderful. But it took a heck of a lot of work for me to get to that point. Whereas if I was focusing just on a business and or promoting and getting email lists built and selling products and or services, I could make in the first month or so make $20,000. Okay, so TubeClaw is the way to go as far as I'm concerned with a majority of people, even business owners. And if you're a person like me who is starting an agency to where you can actually help business owners that don't want to have anything to do with the learning curve of things, then you can do it for them. And all of a sudden, this thing puts you in an automated situation to where you don't have to do too much. You just have certain commands that you learn, and then you go from there. So it just makes a lot of sense to make sure that you at least take a look at TubeClaw and all of the bells and whistles that go with it. And for some reason, my internet is really slow today, but hopefully that's helped you to at least click on the link in the description below. And remember, if you do click on the link in the description below and you do decide to buy the bundle process, and I would recommend the Facebook bundle and the Instagram bundle as well. There's also an email in the description below. You email me and tell me that you have purchased under my link. Then that bonus will be that I'll come on once a week for 100 or 200 people or more that actually purchase and do this, and help them and actually show them what I'm doing with my agency process as well. So hopefully that's helped in the introduction and review of TubeClaw AI and the bonuses. And it's a demo of kind of an introduction of understanding what is in the works here, and it's already running and it's already working great. I'm going to be doing some more videos later on the process and how everything's going with my agency itself. So click on the link in the description below to get started, and I will see you on the next video.